Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to change the speed test website used with the new Windows 11 Perform Speed Test System Tray feature. So if you don't know that this even exists, this is a new feature. You may or may not have it depending on your build of Windows and when they decide to roll it out to you. So if you go down here by the system tray and your network icon, right click it, then there is this new option to perform speed test. And that will take you to the Bing speed test site here. And you can just start and run your test. But if you want to use something else, you could actually change that. So to do so, we're going to be using the free Windhawk software. So if you don't know what Windhawk is, it's an app that you install and then you add what are called mods into Windhawk. And then these mods change the way Windows looks and operates. So it may or may not be worth it to install Windhawk just to change the speed test website, but you might want to check out Windhawk because it does have a lot of nice mods that help you tweak the way Windows operates. All right, so I have Windhawk installed here. So once you install it, you'll have your home section with your installed mods and some featured mods. Then you have the explore section where you could browse for some, search for some, filter, sort, and that type of thing. So the one we're going to be using is called Perform Speed Test Redirect. So you want to do a search for that in the search box here and explore. And then once you find it, click on details and then install, and you'll see a pop-up giving you a warning saying to be careful, but you get that with any mod that you install, so don't worry about it. And then it will be here on your home section, and then you can enable it or disable it here, remove it, go into details, remove it, enable, disable, and so on. All right, so I'm going to enable it. All right, so now when I go down here, perform speed test, you can see it takes us to the actual speed test website. And let's say you wanted to change it, just go into the settings, change the URL to whatever you like. Let's say we want to go fast.com, which is a Netflix speed test site. Make sure you click on save. And we'll try it again. And now you can see it takes us to the fast.com speed test site. And then if you change your mind, you could either change it back to something else, or if you click on disable, go down here again, you're back at Bing. So as you can see, it's a very easy way to change the speed test website used in this new feature in Windows 11. All right, so speaking of the system tray, on a side note here, for Windhawk, it needs to be running down here in your system tray. So if your mods ever stop working, let's come back here and see if the Windhawk icon is there. And if not, just reopen the Windhawk app and it should put it back. Plus, Windhawk should be set to start with your computer by default anyway, so you won't have to come in here and load it every time. All right, so I will put a link in the description where you can download Windhawk and then just do a search for this Perform Speed Test Redirect mod in the Explore section here, install it, enable it, change the website as needed. That's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.